Hello and a very good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market updates. Today is Thursday, 31st of December, and today is New Year's Eve. So today will be the last day of the year 2020 as we welcome in the year 2021 later on tonight at midnight. So, some of the major news which were happening over the last 24 hours. Number one, Bitcoin touched a high of 29,300 US dollars as Bitcoin advanced almost 50% from a low of 17,000 US dollars in early December to the recent highs of 29,000 US dollars. So, Bitcoin has been very aggressive for the last 2 months, especially in anticipation of weaker US dollar. Some traders or some investors are viewing Bitcoin as a hedge against the US dollar. And again, as the US dollar has been bearish and weakening to a 2.5 year low, we do see Bitcoin climbing up to a high of almost 30,000 US dollars. So, other major news over the last 24 hours was that number one, the UK pound strengthened due to the news that the UK Parliament has approved Boris Johnson's Brexit trade deal. So yesterday, we do see the UK pound rising about 133 pips throughout the morning and afternoon trading sessions. And currently, it is also trading at a multi-week high of 1.3635 levels. Let us move on to the MT4 charts to have a clearer idea of how the UK pound behaved and also how the US dollar index moved yesterday. So again, back on the MT4 charts, we do see the US dollar index. US dollar index again is a measurement of the US dollar strength or weakness against a basket of major currency pairs. So on the 1 hour charts for yesterday, again, the US dollar weakened from 89.89 levels all the way to a low of 89.50 levels. And of course, this morning, it opened at the lower levels of 89.47, and currently it is trading at about 89.58 levels. So looking at the daily charts, we don't see a recent low, so we would need to have to go to the weekly charts to see that the US dollar could actually weaken down all the way to 88.95 levels in the near future. Okay. So, yeah, so with the US dollar weakening yesterday, the UK pound was actually moving up as we saw just now from 1.3494 levels all the way to a high of 1.3618 levels. This was about a 125 pip move up, okay, 130 pip move up throughout yesterday. Okay. Again, this morning, the UK pound pushed up about 30 pips, and then after just about 1 hour ago, it pushed back down another 41 pips. So looking at it, with the US dollar still being bearish, major currency pairs such as the UK pound are still generally bullish, and of course, coupled with the fact that some positive news regarding the Brexit trade deal, at the moment, it looks like the UK pound could still be moving up. Okay, so Euro dollar also strengthened yesterday from 1.2251 levels all the way to 1.2310 levels. It moved up about 58 pips. And of course, not to forget gold prices. Gold prices touched a low of about 1,876, and then after move all the way up to 1,895 levels, moving up about 18 US dollars before testing this resistance again of about 1,900 US dollars. And for the last 2 hours, it pulled back down about 12 US dollars. Okay, so this has been the behavior of the US dollar index, the UK pound, the euro, and also gold prices. Dow Jones Industrial Average and also the S&P 500. On the 1 hour charts, they were mostly consolidating. So as we approach the new year, so most investors are already sidelined and out of the market. They will be waiting for 4th of January onwards to decide where the direction of the market will be proceeding after that. Okay. So a quick look at oil prices. Oil prices consolidated yesterday after we had the crude oil inventories data yesterday night coming in at 6.1 million barrels drawdown, which was a shrink in the number of supply of crude oil. So this was theoretically, this should be pushing up oil prices. So as we approach 11:30 p.m. yesterday over here, yes, the oil prices did jump up from $47.70 to $48.65. However, later on, it actually pushed back down again and it was in a consolidation range. Okay. So, yeah, so pretty exciting times. And of course, this is Bitcoin. We can see that Bitcoin is touching a high of 29,300 USD. And on the daily charts, okay, not too long ago, um, in the months of September, it was trading at about 10,000 US dollars during that time. Okay, so no worries, opportunities come and opportunities go, but rest assured, in the financial markets, opportunities in different types of financial instruments will always come again and again and again. Okay, so I would like to bid you guys a very happy New Year 2021. Thank you for following me throughout 2020, and I am planning a few programs for the next year for the year 2021. I'll be updating you guys shortly in the months of January onwards. So please stay tuned. Thank you all for your support. Have a good year ahead and stay safe. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Take care and Happy New Year, everyone. I love you guys.